How to change Walmart email. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Walmart email. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.walmart.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Walmart. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile name on the top of your screen. Scroll down and in the left side panel, tap on the Personal Info option under the Manage Account tab. You will then see your email address. Tap on the Edit button beside your email address and further enter the email address you want to change your Walmart email to and tap on the Continue button. You will then receive the verification code in the email you just entered, so go ahead and enter the verification code and further tap on the Continue button, and with this your email will be changed. So this is how you can change Walmart email. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.